Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. Happy Diwali to all of you. May all of your wish come true on this Diwali and belated Happy Diwali. Okay, so today in this video we will see how to make lesson plan and the topic would be Diwali. Here you can see previous knowledge, so students are already aware of many Indian festivals like Holi, Diwali, etc. So you can see here how we have to make our lesson plan format. Okay, if you need PDF then please do comment me. Okay. Here you can see introduction question. So we have to ask a question to students. Here you can see how we have to ask to students. Okay, and this is our expected answer that we expect from students. Okay, here you can see objectives and specifications and statement of aim you can see. So after asking them question we also have to announce our topic. Okay, so this is overall look of our lesson plan. Okay. Now presentation part, as you can see here, presentation 1, this is paragraph, we have to explain paragraph. Here word meanings you can see, you can add few more if you want. Here you can see question, so first question, second, third, fourth question I have added. You can extend it up to 5 question only, do not add more than that. And this is the expected answer that we expect from students. Okay, here you can see word meaning. And again we have to explain the same thing, like we can explain once more the story of this Diwali. Okay, and the students observing chart, and for teaching it we have to write chart. Presentation 2 you can see here, question related to that, question 1, question 2 you can see. This is the answer that we expect from students. Here you can see blackboard work. Okay, now this is overall look of our lesson plan. Okay, now let's just turn the page and let's see the rest part of presentation 2. Here you can see word meaning I have right here. Here question related to that, question number 3, question number 4. Okay, now here you can see expected answer that we expect from students. You can see here, and here blackboard work. So for blackboard work I have write word meanings here. Here you can see teacher shows chart, students observing chart, and for teaching it we have to write chart. Okay, recapitulation you can see here. So this is 4 questions that I have added for recapitulation. You can see why is Diwali celebrated, why do we light firecrackers, light lamps and offer sweets, who do we pray on Diwali, which god is known as god of prosperity, and this is the expected answer that we expect from students. Okay, so like this we have to make our lesson plan. If you want to ask any question you can ask me in the comment section below. Application and evaluation, so for that you can see I have added here 4 fill in the blanks. Okay, you can extend it up to 5 fill in the blanks only. Okay, that would be maximum. Home assignment, so for perfection of the knowledge we also have to give home assignment to students. Okay, so this was my lesson plan for the topic Diwali. Okay, we will meet in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.